Alright, so to connect your skybell doorbell camera back to your network or onto a network, whatever color this is blinking or showing, you need to hold this button down until it blinks yellow. Sometimes it takes a while, so you just hold it down. It can take up to 2 minutes, so just be patient. It might flash blue for a while, but just keep holding it until it goes yellow. And this is resetting the camera. So there's the blue. I'll do this for a little bit. Your finger might get really sore, but that's okay. Just keep holding it. I've even mastered switching fingers. Alright, there. So we have yellow now. So then you let go. And you wait until it flashes red and green. The red and green means that it is putting out a Wi-Fi network. And I'll show you what to do next in your phone. Alright, so once your doorbell camera is flashing red and green, then you can go onto your phone and go into the alarm.com app. And then in there, go to the menu in the top left corner and hit video. In there, we'll go to the gear in the top right corner and then add video device. Alright, and then we'll scroll down to the one that we want. So you'll see a whole bunch here, but for you it will be either the Slim ADC VDB 105 or the skybell HD at the bottom there. So in this case we're selecting skybell HD, and then it'll tell us to install the hardware, which it already is. So then we'll hit next. Alright, and then here it's telling us that we need to verify that we have the red and green blinking light, because this is putting out a Wi-Fi network for us to connect to. So we'll go next, and then we name the device. Alright, and then next. Alright, so here's where you're going to connect it to your Wi-Fi. But first we're going to go to settings of the phone and go to wherever you connect to Wi-Fi. And then in there you'll see a skybell network. If you're using the Slim doorbell, it will say something different than skybell HD. So go ahead and select skybell and then connect, and then we go back into the app and connect to the Wi-Fi network of the house. Alright, so then you put your password in. And hit next, and then it will install your camera or just reconnect it back to your Wi-Fi. So yeah, you'll see the doorbell flashing all sorts of colors while it's doing this, but in the end it should be white. This little process might take a little while to install it, which is fine. And that is pretty much it. There will be a next button after it installs and connects to the Wi-Fi.